Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Bushcraft and Survival. Please enjoy our channel. If you would, we'd appreciate it if you join our Patreon page. It's been a long road. Thank you. Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Bushcraft and Survival. It's Friday here in the Philippines, and I'm sitting under a fallen tin roof from the typhoon back in 2021. Thought I'd do a Fatwood Friday for you. Today I have a Victorinox, you can see that or not in the sun, a Victorinox Pioneer, fantastic knife. It has 4 blades on it. Has a screwdriver and a can opener, another screwdriver and a bottle opener, and a real wicked awl. So let's give this a try once, see what we have here. Get a chunk off here if we can get it to break off. Now this knife here was a gift from my friend Tom, all the way from Germany. He sent us 3 Pioneers and 3 regular Swiss Army knives. All that had our names on them. Pretty neat. The girls really got a kick out of that. Trying to break this drill hole out here, but it's not that big a deal, I guess. The Victorinox knives are so nice because they have this great stainless steel. It doesn't seem to rust, even here in the Philippines. Oh, cut my rope. Oh. And they're very sharp. That's real nice slivers. This Douglas Fatwood has a beautiful smell to it. It's from Washington State. Pioneer is really easy to control. I'm using my thumb on my other hand to do the pushing on it to make sure it doesn't go flying. And the Victorinoxes all come with a fantastic edge on them. They're pretty easy to keep sharp. I also have another knife in the house, a Victorinox floral knife. It's interesting because it only has an edge on one side. But this is a great knife for in your pocket. See how nice it carves? Put this to the pile here. A little scraping. Now I'm using the edge to scrape rather than the back because if you use the back, it has a chance of it folding up on you. You don't want that. Lots of mosquitoes out here. There we go. It's a nice clean piece there. Beautiful. There's a nice pile of scrapings. Thanks so much for the knife, Tom. This is my main pocket knife here. I put a little lanyard on it with my millipede stitch on it. It's a quick release. And you put your knife in your pocket and put this sticking up so it's real easy to grab out of your pocket. It's absolutely fantastic. And for a ferro rod today I have a Nathan 4071 with a little small 1/8" piece of high-speed steel stuck in a handle of an old, got that mosquito? In the handle of an old, a little old file, I think is what it's from. But the scrapings really take off easy. So happy Fatwood Friday, guys. Beautiful little fire. Fatwood sure does burn easy. It's like a match. What's a simple little fire, guys? Hope you liked it. Take care. Hashtag 22 a day no more. Let's help those vets. Go out, have some fun. Watch your six really close. And by all means, be safe. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Take care.